I was just.
You sure you don't want wine or something, brother?
That's fine, we're not here this weekend. We can go tomorrow to Jennifer.
You always dodge the
Yeah.
waters.
I knew we were having a water thing, so I booked them.
You do that all the time. I don't know how you do it.
Because I planned this one. Really, we've done the last one. I had no water and no electricity, and it was the middle of freaking winter.
Yes, you remember that.
Like my mom. We now got 5 miles to be.
But I wonder why Eagle Canyon's got them.
Only, no, so it's only the bottom part. My parents don't have. But
Maybe
we,
below
because
it.
I'm close to the contractors, that side, we still have. But I don't think it's the middle spot.
Yeah, hasn't been on this either.
Do you think it's just because it's further down the valley?
I wonder if these birds are going to swipe the mouse.
Yeah,
But I
the
reckon
stuff
by-
that's filling the pipes that's here comes like this.
I think by tomorrow. But you get the groups chats about it all the time, so I know it's all.
But you had a burst pipe here, hey?
Last night.
Oh, not yet. Well, yeah, in the area somewhere.
Did it affect you then?
We had no water last night, really.
Last night, well,
Yeah,
It
so
was
it was
very
very,
low
very
pressure.
low pressure.
So it wasn't
Well,
enough water to wash my hair.
I also think everybody was trying to
Fill up
fill up
their
their
valves.
valves at the